I am Massimo Dainese. I'm the technical manager of FLEXBALL Italiana. FLEXBALL Italiana was established in 1965 from an Italian owner that bought the patent to make a special product that was FLEXBALL cable. FLEXBALL cable is a push-pull cable that run on balls. So it's a very special design that at the beginning was possible to produce in Italy, in France and in Germany. FLEXBALL Italiana has been bought from a Swedish company, and now we are part of a group, a Swedish group, and we have company in Italy, in Germany, in Mexico, in China, in India. Mainly we are produced push-pull cable, wire push-pull cable and FLEXBALL push-pull cable. And in the last 15 years we are moving also to mechatronic and electronic controls. When you have to move something from somewhere to somewhere, you are using cable and control. We have a very deep range of standard controls that you can buy, for example, from the shelf. But these products are very reliable and very strong. Our strength is the high customization of our products. We have a very wide range of machines, starting from a very traditional machine, moving to CNC machine. In the last 15 years, we bought two CNC machine, two milling machine with 4 axes. Then we bought 3 turning machine with bar. We mainly use SolidWorks for 3D model, and then when it's necessary we are using AutoCAD for 2D drawing. And CAM we are using ENCY. We choose ENCY because the producer of CNC machine suggested to use ENCY. My colleagues that is following CNC machine before was using Tebis, and now is using ENCY with very, very good result. It was very easy. We take something like two weeks because it's very easy and very practical. So it was very easy for us to understand how to use ENCY. It was also very easy to implement all the processor to use ENCY with all our machine, because we have one processor for all machines, so we can select the machines and then use ENCY without any problem. We are happy with ENCY because, as told you before, it's very easy, very simple to use, and Sintesi guys, Sintesi teams is very good partner. So ENCY is a very good solution that I recommend for sure to other companies.